Hi friends, Crafty Queen Bee here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you an idea how to recycle an empty wine bottle and turn it into a pretty snowman decoration. The supplies you're going to need is an empty wine bottle, spray paint, paint brushes, a Sharpie pen, scissors, and some slick paints. I use the black, orange, white, silver, red. I got all those from Walmart. And then my Prisma glitter that came from Hobby Lobby. And then you're gonna need just some little stuff that you take off your Christmas picks. And I get these picks these are from Walmart. And then I picked up a little bow that you're gonna need. I picked up these bows in a package which I thought were a bargain from Dollar General for $1. And also the little wooden tag that I'm going to use on it came on this package, and I got this from Walmart. The first thing I want to share with you, oh, I forgot, you're going to need a glue gun, a cup with water, and a plate to put your paint on, and your napkin. First thing I want to share with you is how I removed the label from the wine bottle. And for that, I'm going to walk over to my oven. I've already preheated it to 250 degrees, so I'm ready to show you a different method that I'm trying to remove the label that worked for me. Okay friends, I've already preheated my oven to 250 degrees. Now I want to remind you that you need to take off this metallic little label off of it before you put it in your oven. And what I did is I used a baking sheet to put my bottle in the oven. And don't be scared, it'll be okay, hopefully. All right, I'm going to set my timer for 10 minutes. And then I'll show you how easy that label's going to come off. Okay, friends, it's been 10 minutes. I'm going to take the bottle out of the oven now. You have to run it under water because it is very hot. All right, let's see how this is going to work out here. I'll start off at the corner and work my way to where I can have something to grab. See how easy that label comes off? We still have the glue residue, but I'll show you how I remove that. You have to be very careful because this bottle is hot. Just lift up enough lip to where you can grab it and pull it. What I'm fixing to do now is run it under water here. And you get your SOS pad and you scrub on it. I've tried several different methods, but I found that this one works really well for me. See how clean that looks? You might have little areas left that you have to go over, but this is so easy to do. Look at that. All right, now you have a clean bottle ready to be dried and ready to spray paint. Okay friends, so now you have your nice clean bottle, label free. What I did, and I'm not going to show you this because it's very windy outside, but I took my bottle outside and I have dowel sticks in the ground, and I put my bottle on the dowel stick and spray paint it. It is so easy to spray paint your bottle that way. So here you go. Here's my bottle all spray painted, and I used this 98-cent Color Place spray paint from Walmart. It works great. I used the black and the white for 98 cents. It's a bargain. Does a good job. All right, so once we have that all spray painted and dried, and I tried not to use this, I try to center it in between the lines, and there's a line here and a line here. So I find my center, and I failed to mention that you're going to be needing your little stencil. You'll find it in the description below. There'll be a link for the pattern. I think I'm going to just center it about right here. And I use some of this painter's tape to keep it in place. Now I'm going to take some black paint, slick paint, and you get this at Walmart. It's cheaper than any place else I've found. So you're going to use your dry brush. Take the excess off. And you're going to stencil the snowman eyes and the center of his mouth. Okay, and immediately after you do that, you get your black Prisma glitter and you just sprinkle it on the wet slick paint. Dab it with your finger a little bit. There you go. You've got your start right there. And this is the same stencil that I used for the snowman head on that candlestick. All right, so I've got my eyes and the center of his mouth. I'm gonna take the Sharpie and just draw some dots where I need to fill in with the slick paint. Before I do that, I'm going to give the snowman some cheeks, rosy cheeks. I'm going to use red slick paint. With your dry brush, take the excess off. And I'm done with this, so I'm gonna stick that in the water. Let me see if I can do this where you can see. Nice little rosy cheeks there. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the carrot nose on, and I'm using the orange slick for that. And the way I do that is, I don't know if I can do it showing you, but I start off like maybe right there and just go in a back and forth motion with my slick paint. There. There's his nose. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my silver slick and make a snowflake at the top. And to make a snowflake, I don't have any particular method. I just make a cross. And then I fill in between. Make some bigger dots at the end. And you can embellish him in the center right here of your snowflake with a rhinestone if you want to jazz it up, or a little snowflake in the middle. Just be creative. Use what you have, okay? And I'm going to give him another one down at the bottom right here. Again, across. And you can be generous with your dots. Just play with it till it works for you. All right, now I'm going to use the black slick to make the dots around his mouth. I'm going to go ahead and put one in the center as well. Now I'm going to give him or her, it can be a male or female. I'm just going to put 3 dots on the cheek just because I like to do that. Okay, we're going to set it aside and give it a minute to dry. And then I'm going to, we'll decorate it. Before these snowflakes dry, I forgot, I had a little package from Oriental Trade of these embellishments. They're snowflakes and they're in different colors. I've had them for a while. I picked up 2 of the little snowflake ones out of the package, and I'm just gonna put them in the center of the snowflake as an embellishment. I can't talk. Here we go, in the middle of the snowflake. Look what a nice touch it gives it. You can use a rhinestone, and I know Dollar Tree has little packs like this as well. So you might want to pick some up. It makes a big difference. Okay, let's go ahead and let that dry. Meanwhile, I have one that's already dried, and let's decorate it. That's the fun part. I'm just going to use one of these pre-made bows that I got from Dollar General. This is a bargain. They had them in the plaid buffalo check, the black and white, and this plaid color. And I think they had various others, but I just thought these were already made. They were a bargain. Just gonna cut some little dovetails at the ends. And I took this little wooden sign from that package that I bought at Walmart for $1.98. It has a variety of them on there, and I've already used some. I've already used all my pine cones, friends, so. I will have to make Barry's work. Okay, let me see if I can turn it that way. All right. What I'm going to do is glue everything to the bow and then glue it onto the bottle. I think I'll use this little gold piece right there. And I'll throw in some berries in the middle. Give that a minute to set. Okay, I'm going to glue it onto the bottle. And I'll tell you one thing, friends, I've made a lot of these and each one takes a personality on their own. They're all different. It doesn't matter if you use the exact same method. You can't go wrong. Apply a little bit more pressure there, take these hot glue threads out of the way. And I'd say this is a cute snowman bottle. Folks, if you like this video, be sure and give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe and press that bell button so you can be notified when we upload new material. I'll see you next time. Bye. Craft something, it'll make you happy. Is that right? What happened? Am I finished? What happened? Look how beautiful that looks. Why are you laughing? What happened? What happened?
Nothing happened.